The positive and negative behavior from which samsara is compounded produces fruits of happiness and suffering that are of a disproportionate magnitude. The slightest action can have immense consequences. This is illustrated by the story of the king Mandhata, who, in a previous existence, had, as a small boy, cast a handful of peas in offering to the Buddha Vipashyin. 4 of these peas fell into the Buddha's begging bowl. 2 struck his body at the level of his heart, and 1 got caught in his robe. Because of this action of offering the peas, Mandhata subsequently became a Chakravartin, who through his golden wheel held sway over the 4 cosmic continents. He then became a powerful ruler in the celestial realm of the 4 great kings, and finally was born in the heaven of the 33, where he shared the position of the 32 divine sovereigns.